Hey, 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 people, we are live again, and this is day 16 of Vibe Coding an App Until I Make $1 million. And absolutely, as you know, that we are working right now on Sales Creator. Now I have changed, I have rebranded it, and I have kept the name of AI Sales Console because it suits more. So there was a complete rebranding process, and there was a very big mistake. Actually, not the mistake, it was the Git error. So basically, the GitHub that we store our code on, it had a huge error, and the error just went in that way that I lost 500,000 line of code. So it was like 5 lakh line of code, and I just had to rework on it. So I was not able to do the live for last 2 days, and I was consistently working on that thing. I was like deeply involved into each and every part. I have made the whole thing again. It's not like the whole thing was lost, but yes, there was a lot that was lost, and I remade it. So I'm glad. Today we're gonna work more on the front end part of it because the front end is still a bit more needs polishing as well as it needs to get more worked on. I have whatever the parts of backend was lost, it has been recovered, it has been worked on, and basically I've made it more better than the previous one. So that's amazing. That's the great news. So let's directly get into it. Let me show you where are we now. Let me just delete temporary files. So perfect, and there we go. I have given it new name. So basically we have hosted it also. I'll show you everything. The name is AI Sales Console. So rebranding is one of the very, deep things that you should know because rebranding needs a lot to be worked on. There are so many things, there are so many packages which you have to change and make it on the name of the rebranded, as in the new brand that you have made. So that's a lot to get worked over. So anytime you just go and rebrand your model, you just have to do a lot. So let me just give this error, whatever it is. So that we can resolve the error. Okay, while that thing is getting done, I'll ask um, Gemini 3 Pro to start working on solutions page as well as the pricing page. And it has to work more on those because those page were lost completely. So whatever I had designed, whatever was there, everything got lost. So let me ask it. Please go through the solutions page under marketing pages, and I want you to work more on it. The hero component looks decent, but everything else need to be redesigned and refactored completely. Go through our documentation, what all things we provide, what all services we have, what all agents we have, and just make sure that you add everything as per the need of solutions page. Basically, what all things should be there on solutions page. Add all those things. Make sure to add advanced visuals so that people don't need to use their mind a lot to understand everything. Everything should be easily understandable from the visuals and from the things that you have written. Make sure the content you write is not a lot. It should be very, less, but that should explain everything. While going through it, make sure about not adding so many colorful stuff out there. Make sure to just use simple, subtle colors that we were using previously, like the colors that are being used right now. So, and don't change the color of the background or anything. We want it completely subtle thing. So, I want everything perfect. Go through it and make sure to make the perfect design out there for solutions page. Perfect. Let's see how it plans it, okay? By that time, let me see what is it doing. It says there is some okay package thing it is worked on. Says perfect. Look at it, it's doing the work. So a bit today is gonna be a very critical day just because we have to work on a lot of things, a lot of designs. Once we will log in, you will see like a lot of things went to the previous stage. So we're gonna work on a lot of designs. We'll make everything look again amazing. Backend of all of this stuff is most of ready, so I'll work less on backend, but yes, front end is gonna be huge. Perfect. So I guess in 5 minutes you're gonna see multiple windows working on designs, and then we'll start a bit on backend too because I have thought about a new feature, a chatting feature where people can just talk with the chat box, as in the chat bot, and they can get all the changes done. Like if they want to change the script, if they want to do anything, we're gonna give them a playground where they can just chat and they can do everything. So that's where I'm thinking of making it more advanced. Let's see. Let me just run the thing. It should work now. Oh no, there are still some errors that are going on in here. Let me just get all those. Let me show you this while another agent will work on these errors. My God. Perfect. It is being worked on. So this is our new website that's called AI Sales Console. Basically, your whole sales team lives inside. So yes. Okay, let me show you the solutions page that we have right now and how it will be worked on. It has given us the solutions page strategy that says keep the hero section basic. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. And on the pricing page, let me see what's there on the pricing page so that we can have a bit more idea on it. Perfect. Ditch the commission, deploy the brain. That sounds good to me. Okay, we have a good hover effect. This one says open for 27 beta users only. I want you to have a look at pricing page and on the beta founder plan, there is this tag called this just for 27 users, but I want that tag to get highlighted a bit more. So like you can make it big, or you can just do something creative while making the visual look perfect. And it should be like people should be easily able to notice that it is just for 27 people and no more, so that they can understand and they can just you know it should be that clickbaity that they should feel like, yes, let's get into it. Okay, it should be psychologically attractive. So please work on it and make sure you make it look super perfect. You don't need to have a lot of different colors or something like that. Just make it subtle, but at the same time make it super perfect. Let's go. While what this has done, let's see. Okay, wow, this is nice. Perfect, this looks good. But it has a very less stuff out there. This one says scaling revenue without scaling head count. Now, look at this whole thing. This is like it is making huge stuff out there, right? Let me just see, there is some issue over here. Perfect. Okay, now this looks good to me, but the animations are so basic. Look at it. Like there is nothing huge, and there is no you know something that is compelling to go in. This one is asking for some permission. Let's go. None of the visuals. What happened? None of the visuals look that compelling, and please just go through it. Make sure to add a lot many visuals while explaining everything, like the how brain layer works or what all things are needed on solution space. Make sure you add all those things, and it should be so perfect that people should get compelled to get into this. Okay, like just to subscribe our stuff. So make sure to just add so many visuals. And what I mean by so many visuals is add some visuals that are so advanced, that are so amazing, that people should understand that how everything works. You have right now, what you have done is just added some boxes. I don't want those boxes. I want you to add more and more visuals, get this thing more perfect. Let's go. Looks like it has not made any changes or what? Oh, it has just made the plan. Took a long time, yeah. Let's see what it does. See, now it looks good. Only 27 spots left. We still have to work on this page because it has a very less stuff out there. Let me go to pricing page last time. Nice. Now this looks good. It says 999 plans is given for. And even have a look at 999 thing. Like 999 is not that much visible and it doesn't look like that we are giving 999 plan for 549. So like can you just make it look a bit more revealing that it should be like um, more visible to the people that 999 plan is getting cancelled and people are just 27 people or companies are going to get it for 549 or something like that. Okay, our solutions page has some stuff ready. Let me see how is it getting implemented. Perfect. The animation is good over here. Hmm, this looks good. Like 45% badge to explicitly show. That's nice. Let's see what goes in here. What do you think about this, guys? It's doing a great work. It's doing a great work. I want a like from you all for this work, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. And yes, if you guys haven't subscribed us yet, then just go ahead and subscribe the channel. That thing means a lot to me. This is standard price 999 cancelled. Let's remove this cancelled batch, right? Solutions page is getting worked on a lot, creating brain layer pipelines. This sounds good to me. Okay, it's done. It's done or what? Why is it saying generating? This is still getting worked on. Wow, this is nice. Which page had the error? It was solutions, right? Perfect. Once those pages are being made, we'll go ahead for the next page. What I'm planning people from tomorrow, as in Monday, is we're gonna do some live just for using Sales Creator. Okay, so how Sales Creator works, and we're gonna have some more videos on it, as well as we're gonna use it to sell itself. That's the best part where we will see that how the brain is learning, how the brain is working, as well as half every other small part is doing its work so that we can have a bit more idea on it. Maybe some of the things might glitch, maybe some of the things might have some bugs. So we're gonna have it fully functional from tomorrow itself so that we can see it working perfectly. Okay, this looks good. The neural orchestra that never sleeps. It's not just a chatbot, it's a central nervous. Crazy. This is crazy. Please have a look on products page and the part where we have added the brain. I want you to add some glow or something behind the brain or that animation so that it looks a bit more good. Not a huge or not a lot of glow, but yes, there should be some glow. And give some animation to all the agents around it, like they are getting data from it, how the learning is happening, and something that makes the thing that makes the thing spread the feeling like how it works. So basically, we will make people understand and sell the sizzle, like what is the feeling, how everything is working inside here, right? We obviously not gonna show the secret sauce, but yes, we can show that how all these things are working, and that will make the thing look better, as well as it will be visually super correct so that people can easily understand how everything is going on inside here, and they can get to know that this is not something like some AI dialer or AI caller, or we are not something that just runs by the script. We are something that learns at every moment after every interaction. So it should depict that part. So make sure to have some connections and some good animations around that brain. Don't change that brain, don't remove it. It should stay as it is because it is the best component we have out there. But yes, make sure about this visuals. Okay. We will get on the products page. See, there should be some animation in here, correct? This doesn't look that good. So that's why I've given it the part. There is this page AI wrap whose data we're gonna just take off because it's not needed. See, we have AI sales team that has a lot of data, and that's the best data. Okay, this is like huge. Here we have it all, so we don't need more than this. Yeah. And if you guys want to check out us, then you can just go in here. We are live. We are live at aisalesconsole.io, and that's crazy. Okay, we're gonna change all these things. These are being worked on, so just stay tuned. We are working on every small part of it. This one says keep the 3D brain component, add subtle atmospheric glow behind it, and create animated neural network of lines connecting inputs. Wow, now this is good. Look at the workflow, guys. See, it has used the bad color for the background for sure. So we need to refine this a bit more. Other than that, this looks very good. Like, look at it. Let's go to products page. What the heck, bro? It removed the thing. I want my page back. Yeah, I have added a screenshot of the component that you have no rights to remove. It should stay as it is. If you want, you can just add a glow behind it, but yes, don't remove this component. This should stay as it is. Other than that, start working on all other things. Let's see now, is it able to do it or not. By that time, let me go to pricing page. Do we have the custom pricing page over there? We don't have it, so we will add it. Please go ahead, check out the logic of the pricing, and then below the pricing cards, add custom pricing engine where people should be able to, add whatever minutes or whatever number of calls or whatever number of reps they want, and they can directly easily able to just do it. Like they can see the custom pricing and they can just buy that thing from there. And make sure about having a toggle, like do they wanna go for minutes or do they wanna go for calls? Like if they want to go for calls, then we should be able to give it to them like equivalent to 4 minutes calls or equivalent to 6 minute calls, and they should be just type in like 250 calls or maybe 500 calls, or it should be there should be a slider, so whatever number they choose, they should be able to go with that. So as per that, we should have the pricing for um, adding new reps. For sure, they need to go for they're gonna pay more. So for per one more rep, we're gonna charge them $99, and or let's keep it $149. And yeah, just go ahead and check out on all other things like how are we charging for pricing, how are we charging for minutes. As per that, you're gonna go ahead and make the changes in the minutes, as well as they should be able to see the basic plan, like whatever base plan they want to go for, like starter or um, any one out of the scale ones, and then they can just increase it. Like if they want to go for scale 10,000 minutes, then they will just select that, and then they can just maybe make it 12,000 minutes, or maybe they can add instead of 2 reps, they might be able to add 3 reps or like 4 reps. So whatever they want to do, they should first select the base plan, and as per that, they should move on. But the base plan should be the first thing they should have to do. Like without selecting the base plan, they cannot edit the plans. Make sure about this. Perfect. Let's go to products page. Let's see what it has done. I don't see no change.